Hi there. Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest tech tips and tricks. Today, we're going to show you how to back up WhatsApp media on your Android device. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to send messages, photos, videos, and other media files. However, these files can take up a lot of space on your device, which is why it's important to back up your WhatsApp media regularly. To get started, open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. From there, tap on Settings and then select Chats from the list of settings. In the next screen, tap on the Chat Backup option. This will take you to the Backup Settings screen, where you can choose how often you want to back up your chats and media files. To back up your media files, you'll need to tap on the Account option and select or add your Google Drive account. This will allow you to store your backup files in the cloud, which is a great way to keep them safe and secure. Make sure to check the Include Videos option. This will ensure that all of your WhatsApp media files, including your videos, are backed up. You can also choose whether to back up over Wi-Fi or cellular data by selecting the appropriate option. Once you have selected your preferences, tap on the Backup Now button to start the backup process. The backup time will depend on the size of your media files, so it may take a few minutes to complete. It's important to note that you must have enough storage space available in your Google Drive account to accommodate the backup files. If you're running low on space, you may need to upgrade your account or clear out some old files to make room for the backup. Backing up your WhatsApp media is essential to ensure that you don't lose any important data. By following these simple steps, you can easily back up your media files on your Android device. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.